Okay, Proton Exora installed for Cogoo S Series CG-AD010S 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player, 1 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. Okay, with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, 10.1-inch. So no need change player casing. Fixed with universal bracket. Okay, connect one extra socket, OEM power socket for plug and play. If your Exora got a steering button, so you have to add on another steering control socket for plug and play as well. Okay, let me show you for the reverse. Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, S Series Cogoo Android player, 10.1-inch. Radio. So you have to adjust the volume or press. Okay, next. You can save the frequency. You can choose any frequency you want. Then long press to save it. Okay, back to home. Main display UI. Press F, apps, apps for full menu. Okay, got a AV video input and video output. A Bluetooth. You have to pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Okay, search for the device name, pairing with your phone. After that, you can click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Okay, you can download this APK from Windows, from desktop PC. Okay, this one can install APK as well. Download app. Okay, log in a Gmail. Download app from Play Store, option 2. Can use Waze, Google Maps for online maps, or download Papago for offline. Okay, file manager. So internal storage available is 11.5. Okay, this player is no DVD version, but got 2 USB slot, which is USB extension. We'll put in a drawer. Okay, go to setting. You have to turn on your phone hotspot. Connect with player Wi-Fi for internet. Android version 8.1, 1 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. Okay, phone link for mirror link function. Selected phone model, Android USB and Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Back to home. At night time, when you turn on the headlight, so left got a light button. Setting. So you got a three band equalizer adjustment. System info. Okay, display 1024x600. Support multimedia video playback up to 1080p Full HD video. Factory setting 8888. A brightness, you can do the brightness adjust and change logo. So it's got an internal logo, So you can choose which one you want, or logo select will link to your folder. So you have to save the JPEG file to 1024 x 600 resolution. Okay, back to home. Scroll down. You can turn off screen when nighttime driving. Touch anyway to turn it on. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Clear it one by one or close all. Okay, this is 10.1 inch Cogoo S Series CG-AD010S 1GB RAM for Proton Exora. OEM socket plug and play. Installed by 1bis. Thank you.